Good day everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss our system using Tinkercad with Arduino Uno and other components. This system project combines two critical safety features, flood detection and security monitoring into a single intelligent platform, enhancing preparedness and safety for homes, institutions, and communities. Let's start with the main unit, which is built around the Ono microcontroller. It processes sensor data, triggers alarms, and manages all outputs efficiently. For clean organization, we use a mini breadboard with jumper wires connecting all power and ground connections. This ensures stable operation and ensure troubleshooting during development. We also incorporate a multimeter to verify voltage levels, ensuring that all sensors and actuators receive consistent power for reliable performance. Our system uses two primary sensors. First, the ultrasonic distance sensor measure water levels, detecting potential flooding condition early. Second, the PIR motion sensor detects unauthorized movement, enhancing security by alerting the system potential intrusions. In addition to these primary sensors, we have passive automatic sensors that respond independently to environmental conditions. A photoresistor controls a connected DC bulb and DC motor, automatically turning them on during low light conditions. We also include a tilt sensor, which activates the bulb and when the sensor's orientation changes, providing a passive warning during physical disturbance or environmental impacts. For audible alerts, buzzer produces distinct alarm patterns. Flood emergency trigger a calamity alarm with rising and falling pitches, increasing in intensity with severity. Security breaches activate a commercial building alarm with rapid beep patterns familiar in professional security patterns with both emergency occur simultaneously. The system combines alarm for maximum urgency. Visual feedback is provided by two LEDs. A blue LED indicates system operation, and a red LED lights when threats are detected. Detailed information is displayed on LCD screen, including water depth, threat levels, and security status. FloodGuard Plus calculates water rise rate and assesses threat levels automatically. The system rotates the display every 4 seconds, showing water data, security alerts, and overall system status. The system lead also adapts its blinking pattern according to severity of the threats. The system continuously monitors water distance using ultrasonic sensor, calculates actual water depths, and classifies levels as normal, warning dangerous or critical. At the same time, it monitors for unauthorized movement. When threats are detected, the system activates the appropriate alarms with distinct patterns for floods versus security breaches, ensuring clear and immediate alerts. In summary, FloodGuard Plus integrates flood monitoring and security protection into one reliable system featuring dual system technology for flood and security monitoring, passive automatic sensors like photoresistor and adult sensor, professional and distinguishable alarm patterns, clear LCD and lead visual displays, real-time monitoring and intelligent threat assessment. This system provides communities with early flood warnings and intrusion alerts, enhancing safety, preparedness, and response efficiency. Thank you for watching.